Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will look at how to format a laptop. If you want to format a laptop, then you will need to reset your laptop. For that, you will need to follow some steps. You will need to select the reset options. You will see a few options like keep my files, remove everything, cloud download, and local reinstall. First, you will need to select the option. If you want to remove everything from your PC or laptop, then you will need to select remove everything. This will clean all data of your laptop and PC. When you select the option, after you will need to go to steps. As you can see, you can reset your PC when you are signed into Windows or from the window recovery environment. Here are some important information. During the reset process, it is possible that your screen might go black for a long period of time and that your device might attempt to restart itself. Manually attempting to restart the device yourself during this process could cause the reset to fail. So here are some steps to reset. Reset your PC from settings. For that, in the shortcut tab on your Windows device, select System, then go to Recovery or use the following shortcut. Second, select Reset PC. Third, choose from the option and or settings in the reset option table. And this is the another option to reset your PC from Windows R. For that, access the window recovery environment. Then go to second. Once in window RE, select troubleshoot. Then go to reset this PC. Then go to system restore. Third, choose from the option and or settings in the reset option table. So that's all for this video. Please like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.